Episode 2. The Case of the Crying Onion. Snack-size science. Why do onions make us cry?
Oh, hello there, superfood explorers. I'm Olly the Onion. I'm super tasty in salads and stews. But sometimes, when grown-ups chop me up, I hear sniffles and see watery eyes. Ever wondered why I have that teary superpower? Let's peel back the layers on this mystery. When I'm whole, my layers keep all my special stuff tucked safely inside. But inside these layers, I have tiny little pockets filled with these sleepy sulfur bits and these busy enzyme workers. When I'm whole, they don't really hang out together. Uh-oh! Here comes the slice! When my cells get broken open, my sleepy sulfur bits and my busy enzyme workers suddenly mix and mingle, and when they do, poof! They create a super sneaky invisible gas. I call it my Ouchie Spray. This Ouchie Spray floats up, up, up. And if it reaches someone's eyes, well, eyes are super smart. They know this spray isn't supposed to be there. So the eye quickly makes extra water. Yup, tears! To wash my Ouchie Spray away and keep the eye safe and clean. It's like a super fast eye shower. So it's not really me making you sad. It's your amazing eyes protecting themselves. So that's my teary tale. When I'm sliced, my insides mix, release an invisible spray, and your wonderful eyes do their job to wash it away. Science can be a bit eye-watering sometimes.
Snack-sized science fun fact. Want to chop an onion with fewer tears? Grown-ups can try chilling Olly in the fridge first. The cold makes those Ouchie Spray ingredients less likely to float up into the air so quickly. See you next time for another bite-sized adventure.